They already have threes.
You good?
No, they already have 3-on-3. That's what I was telling you. Oh. There you go. Never mind. Hey, was that for my benefit? Was that for my benefit? You knew they were gonna lane me. Knock. I kind of did because I did like this, and when he went by, I knew the lane was gonna be coming here, and I'm like, yeah, and then I turned. Yeah, I think I got like 3/4 of it. I could really use a tripod right now. I could really use a tripod right now, Riddell. Just saying. He said he was going to give me a tripod. Hey, Riddell, you could really use a tripod right now. It's okay, man. He's going to give me a free one. I can't beg. I can't complain. I'm gonna play one more at least.
Alright, you guys good? You guys good down here? Game starts in 5 seconds on my mark. 4. Yeah, you probably didn't feel it either. What happened, Herbert?